Hello guys, this is Bladeking Beys string launcher. Today I am just going to guide you how to use the Bladeking Beys string launcher in a proper manner. Okay, so this is the product. So here is the string launcher. I am just opening the pouch. Here we have a string launcher. This string is almost 16 to 17 inches long, and this launcher is suitable for both right and left spin Beyblade. So to change the direction, there are a few important procedures you must know. Here is the converter and here is the push lock. Firstly, you are supposed to release the push lock and change the direction of the launcher by pushing the converter to utmost right or to utmost left. Okay, make sure you push it hard enough to make it to the utmost right, utmost left. Okay, or if you want to change it to right direction, you are supposed to push it a little hard to ensure this converter has reached the utmost right position. Okay, then later you can do push lock in order to keep the converter locked at that position. Okay, then later you can spin. So the most common mistakes the customers used to make is that when you do push lock, or when you release the push lock and push the converter to change the direction, you are supposed to push it to the core. You cannot keep it somewhere in the middle and do a push lock. If you do so, then launcher might fail. The launcher life will not good. Okay, so you are supposed to release the push lock, push the converter to the utmost right or to the utmost left. This is the most important note. Then later you can do push lock and use the launcher.